Hi, welcome to Tiny Toons TV. Today we are going to learn underwater animals with Jerry. Jerry visited ocean recently and excited to tell us about it.
Hi, my name is Jerry. Let me show you what I saw inside the ocean. I have met an amazing sea turtle. Then I saw an orange-color octopus. Then we swim more to see dolphins. Wow! It was scary, but we tricked and got away from shark. We saw amazing squids. And also starfish. Then we saw a big-sized stingray. Passes over us. Wow! Clownfish was beautiful, and she was having babies. Trust me, I played with whale. I saw eels but didn't touch them, remembering they can generate electricity. Oops! Inside of deep oceans, we found crabs and shells, also called shellfish. We saw one crocodile from our boat. That's all, my friends. Fun sharing experience with you. Keep watching Tiny Toons TV for more videos.